Rate contract. A rate contract or a rate agreement, RC in short, is a procurement cost reduction strategy aimed at standardizing procurement prices for commonly procured, homogeneous and price-varying inputs. Timing. A rate contract is usually attempted when a global sourcing effort is not feasible, due to financial or operational constraints. A rate contract is also typically established in inputs where the number of suppliers is large, where it is not a monopoly or an oligopoly. Level. Rate contracts can be arranged at various levels by a large firm, in specific geography markets or at a national level or at a global level, if suppliers exist at differing scales, and in specific subcategories, or in a range of subcategories, or for a category, or for a related categories. The rate contract can also be established for a year or for multiple years. The level of the rate contract agreed depends on process of setup. The process of setting up a rate contract in a category follows a set of standard steps. Post the setup of a rate contract, a definitive monitoring mechanism must be set up. Such a monitoring mechanism needs to be done centrally by the organization and involves monitoring of offtake by supplier, monitoring of non-RC offtake and monitoring of supplies and periodic quality audits. Without the setup of a monitoring mechanism, much of the effectiveness and purpose for a setup might be lost. Special types. A frame agreement is a special type of rate agreement entered with a set of suppliers, with a specific subset, maybe just one, chosen as preferred. Frame agreements possess similar clauses as standard rate agreements with a few additional, optional, points such as the UNHCR procures a large percentage of its requirements under frame agreements,